your enemy might be attacking you from, by land or by water. And again, the way we're going to fire this gun, it's a very slow rate of fire. There's 36 steps in firing this cannon. We have a very slow rate of fire because, again, this fort is not attacked the way Hollywood depicts it. Again, the movie's got it wrong. The way our enemy attacks us, he simply surrounds us, cuts off our lines of supplies, and he is trying to starve us out. All we're trying to do is simply outlast our enemy. Hold on long enough until more help arrives. Unfortunately, though, that closest help is Havana, Cuba. Round trip, word getting down there, supplies getting collected, and supplies getting back up here to St. Augustine is about 2 months. So we're on our own for 2 months. We have to make sure our supplies and our gunpowder inside the fort last 2 months. That's why we have a very slow rate of fire. 1 shot every 15 minutes, 4 shots an hour. Gotta remember though, this is not the only cannon on top of this gun deck. Just like those muskets, we stagger the fire with these cannons. Every gun is going to be on this 4 shots an hour rotating basis. When this gun is not firing, there is another cannon somewhere on top of this gun deck that is firing. All we're doing, keeping up a nice, constant rate of fire up on our enemy until hopefully that help from Cuba arrives. These guns, these cannons, and these muskets did do a very good job of this because the fort did serve 6 different flags. It was engaged in 15 total battles. It never lost a single one. Only time this fort was ever handed over to another country is always because of a paper transaction, a treaty of some sort. I definitely have to mention, folks, everyone you see dressed out today, only myself and one other gentleman are park rangers with the National Park Service. Everybody else, they are volunteers. They're folks just like you. They have a love of history. They love coming out and putting on dark blue wool uniforms in Florida. They're helping us bring history alive. Now, if they decided not to come out today, there's absolutely no way we can bring these awesome programs for you today. Let's definitely take a moment in thanking them for coming today on their day off. Also, do have to mention this gun is going to be a lot louder than those muskets. Definitely do want to cover your ears. If you have any small children, make sure they cover their ears or cover it for them. Of course, in the drill, though, we will tell you when it is time for you to cover your ears. Don't worry. Other than that, just hope you enjoy this program, hope you enjoy the firing, and do hope you enjoy this time here at the Castillo de San Marcos. Thanks a lot.
Claro, sesión. Provénganse para el ejercicio. Bendíganos, Santa Barbara. Esto la cuchara en el cañón. Regados de estar cargado. Return la cuchara. Esto lo lanare y tapa el apagón. Pésame lo lanare al cañón. Return-la a su hogar. Apronte de sacador y pólvora. Entra-la en el cañón. Ataca. Al atacador a su lugar. Tomen los suspectos. Respóndese a poner en batería al cañón. Cañón de batería. Respóndese para la puntería. Apunte. especiais de seu lugar. Steven, a curva no fogão. Tome no para fuego.
填点药，这个药不是爆炸药，是燃烧的，爆成这一面。
Para fuego, don cañón. Alto y soplo no mecha.
Cover your ears!
可大了，这是。
Fuego!
这
Para fuego, su lugar.
Feel the vibration.
Fuego.
Vamos, vamos.